guys are watching me on Travel with Vani. Here's your friend Vanisha, and today I'm not going to travel again. I'm going to cook. Before starting, don't forget to check my previous video which I make pizza. The link is there, and let's get started. Well, today we are going to make Pav Bhaji. Pav Bhaji is a very famous street food, Indian street food. So for Pav Bhaji, let me tell you before continuing, because me too, I didn't know what was Pav Bhaji. After eating that, then I got to know it's so tasty, delicious. I like it now. And Pav Bhaji is all about, I'll tell you first. The Pav means the bread. And bhaji means all the vegetables which I'm gonna use to make the pav bhaji. The main ingredient in pav bhaji is the bread, the butter. Butter is very important, and you got all the vegetables. Now let's hop on the vegetables, and I'll let you know all the vegetables I need for pav bhaji. So all we need is carrot, capsicum, beetroot, potato, tomatoes, chili, French beans, and peas. Now we'll jump on the spices we need. The main spices is Pav Bhaji masala, this masala you can find it in all Indian shop. And we need salt, dry fenugreek leaves, garlic, ginger, and cumin seeds, and some coriander. To proceed with the cooking, now I'm going to use a pressure cooker because of potato. To start with, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of oil. I'll wait for it to get a little bit hot. Then we add all the cumins, like it's 1 teaspoon. Now here goes the butter. I give it 1 minute. I let it melt and let the cumin fry for 1 minute. After that, I'm gonna add the Pav Bhaji masala, the spices. I let it fry and give it a good stir. After that, I add the tomatoes. I cut into cubes, as you can see. Don't need to cut it like small. Rough is okay. Give it a good stir. Then you add the salt, ginger, garlic, which I cut roughly. Give it a good stir. Let it fry at least for 1 minute, so that it goes like cook well and smooth. Now I'm gonna add all the vegetables, as you can see, in the cooker, and always give a good stir so that all the spices mix together. Give it time to cook well. And I'm going to add 400 ml of water for now. Then I close the cooker and let it whistle for two times. Right now, as the vegetable is getting boiled, so let's cut onion, capsicum, and a little bit more tomato. Then we'll continue. When we say we need to cut the vegetables should be cut finely, not roughly, so that it takes less time to be cooked and blend with the spices. Like, should be very, very, very fine. Here we go with the first whistle of our cooker. And after that, we'll jump on the capsicum. And guys, make sure you take fresh vegetables, look good, taste good, good quality. So even the capsicum we're gonna chop finely, as you can see. We are trying our best to chop fine, much finer we could. And after that, I took the pan, put some oil, let the oil get hot on medium flame, chuck some butter on it, let it melt. Always on medium flame. Then we'll put the chili, green chili, the onion. We'll sweat the onion a little bit. Don't make it black, but it should be fried enough, like 1 minute. You just stir and fry it. Then after that, we'll put the finely chopped tomatoes. You let it cook for around 4 minutes. Let it cook well. We're gonna add the salt. Why we add salt first? Because when you add salt, it'll cook quicker. The tomato becomes soft. Then after 4 minutes, we'll add the Pav Bhaji masala, the Pav Bhaji spices. Give it always a good mix. Stir it well. Then we'll add the capsicum after 4 minutes. We add the capsicum, stir, always give a good stir. As you can see, it's looking good. I can smelling so good. And we'll add all the mixture which was in the cooker. After that, we're gonna take the help of a masher. We'll smash all the vegetables together. It doesn't matter if you don't have a potato masher, you can use a spoon, because while you give it 2 whistles, the vegetables is already soft, so it is quick. It will be easy for you to mash with a spoon or a masher. You mash it well. Then after you finish mash it, like now I saw like I need 100 ml of water, so I add it, because it should be like runny, not that dry, so that when you dip the bread in the bhaji, it will be like easy to eat. Then in the end, I will add dry fenugreek leaves and coriander leaves. After that, I will let it cook for 1 minute. That's it, and I'm gonna cover it. Now the final step is the pav. I'll show you how we make the pav, so the bread, and I'll show you step by step. So we start with the butter. Add the butter first, a little bit coriander, and a little bit of the bhaji, which is the vegetable which we have cooked. And quickly I'll put the bread on top of the bhaji, the vegetables. I let it for half minutes, like this, on medium flame, okay, like this. Now I'm gonna flip it, the second part, same method. Again, a little bit bhaji, and I'm gonna flip it on top, just like that. So this is how you should do it if you want to taste that like same like they make on the street, like street food. It should be like this. So when you eat, you can feel everything what is going in the bhaji and the bread. It's looking good. It's looking tasty and delicious. So this is done. So here I have reached at the end of my vlog. I hope you have enjoyed this vlog, and for me it was a good experience making pav bhaji. I really enjoyed it, and now I'm gonna taste it. So you see me in my next video. Next video is coming for sure next week. So see ya, take care.